the boat from Ohrid to Naum. I'm going to show you a little bit how the boat looks like and what we can see from the boat. So you can see the national park from here. You can even see a pretty cool beach down there with a beach bar. Some nice hotels here. You can see the different colors in the water. I think because there's maybe sand.
Our land lovers, we be close to the Bay of Bones. Yes, over there you can see an ancient village. How old is this, Barbara?
This is a Naum. They rebuilt it. As you can see, the water is super clear. So this is Bay of Bones. It looks pretty awesome actually. It's also here you can see how clear the water is. There's also some fish in there. And since it's 12 o'clock, it's unbearably hot here. All around these structures, they have bones, but it's also kind of representative how they lived in those days. So they rebuilt some kind of a small village on wooden poles on the water. They even have like a small stove, or as you can see, a small barbecue kind of thing. I think it's meant as a stove. And in here I think they sleep. It feels pretty soft actually. Oh, there's even some kind of animal. I'm not sure if I can show you what it looks like around here, but the water is very, very clear. As you can see, there's still some big fish down there. As you can see, it's pretty crowded with people and boats.
Dede pole katuka. The meaning of the English people will be mostly